Alright guys, so after 4 years, this string finally was on its last leg, so I decided to give it the old Electrician handyman special. So I went ahead and drilled out this hole right here, and then I went ahead and added some 12 gauge Romex through the hole, and then I tightened these screws that were getting loose, and then also hit this with the hammer because that board was getting loose from pulling on the handle. And then once we go through, you'll see that I just tied it through to the latch right here. So now you can go like this, but it's so heavy, the string was so light, and this is so heavy that you kind of just have to like hold it in place while you close the door, otherwise it'll just open. So you'll see right here, kind of just, well, that time it worked, but normally if you don't get it all the way, it'll just open back up, so you have to like hold it down and then you're good. So my roommate is going to be excited about this probably because he was probably struggling. And shout out to Jonar Tools because I just rolled this out of the house, had all my tools on me, and got this baby fixed up in no time, so appreciate it.